Hello and welcome to another episode of Britannia Cheese Star Chef, जहाँ पे हम सीख रहे हैं yummy cheesy recipes बनाना with a twist. Hi Steph, how are you?
Hi guys, hi Shipra.
So I have a perfect nachos recipe which you can have on your next movie date with Kareena. And it's called cheesy paneer nachos. Sounds yummy, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So let's get started. So let's get the ingredient checklist. So there's this bowl of yogurt right in front of you.
Yes.
With the help of a spoon, we'll add a little bit of salt to the yogurt. And then there's this tandoori masala. You can add a teaspoon of that. A little bit of garam masala. A teaspoon of lemon juice. And a teaspoon of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Is it looking good?
It's looking good and smelling great.
Awesome. So now there's this paneer in front of you. We'll put that in the marinade. Let's do that and then we'll play a quick game.
Oh, I love games.
Oh wow, that looks really nice. So I'm going to, take names of a few dishes and you have to give me your reaction to it.
All right.
Pasta.
Beautiful.
Cheesy toast sandwich.
Now, cheesy toast sandwich, I think, is the healthiest option of that lot. In fact, my dietitian gives us cheese toast in the afternoon as part of our diet.
Nice. Cheesy fries.
Cheesy fries is like the best thing you could do to a French fry, you know. It's already great, but you make it greater by just adding cheese.
So now, Saif, the pan is hot. We need to put a little bit of oil first. Just a little bit, just to grease the pan enough.
Okay.
The trick here is the oil needs to be smoking hot when we put the tikka. So that will give the tikka that, those grilling marks.
Okay.
That is when it's going to come. So it has to be really hot.
It's hot.
So now we can put the paneer. Now we need to wait till it gets the grilling marks. You will see that marination is going to cook and the fat and the rest of the masalas will kind of get separated.
Okay.
So just turn it around and we'll, cook the other side as well. Because the rest of the recipe is really simple. So from Mexican nachos, it's become Indo-Mexican cheesy nachos.
Okay, now what?
So we need to take these, the nachos right in front of you. We need to put a generous amount on the plating dish.
Okay. I've eaten lots of nachos in my life, like late night snacks and all this stuff, but I've never made this before.
Yeah?
This is it's good respect for a nacho.
Okay.
Okay, now what?
We can put the paneer tikka on top.
Now what?
Now is the climax. We need to grate Britannia block cheese on top to make it like really cheesy. It's really stringy, cheesy, yummy and melt in the mouth, which is what I love about this. Yeah, yum.
Gosh, look at this amazing color here.
And you made it even better.
It smells great. I think it'll work.
We'll make it even better and more cheesier. So there's a bowl in front of you, an empty bowl. And we are going to use the cheese spread which says Asli pepper. So rich, creamy and with the real flavor of pepper. So with the help of a spoon, just take like a big scoop of this cheese because I just love the creamy texture. And we'll make a cheese sauce with this. To this, we are going to add a little bit of milk so that, the consistency is flowing. It'll be like, see, this is the consistency we want. We'll drizzle this on the nachos, like little stylishly. If you want to add a little more color, we can add this chopped coriander on top. So it'll give a beautiful green color with the reddish paneer tikka,
Very professional looking now.
Yes.
I think little coriander just makes everything look
so pretty.
Quite professional.
Yeah. Ta-da.
Look at that. Much better.
Wow. Well done. Awesome. Looks awesome.
Look at the rich yellow color of the cheese melting all over the nachos. Wow. That's fantastic. If you have more such interesting recipes that are your own to share, send it to us, and the ones we love the most will be featured on the show. It's time for you to know the winner of Britannia Cheese Star Chef. Stay tuned. Goodbye till next week. Till then, keep cooking with the best.